Barangay Santa Barbara versus Barangay Bakulong. Let's meet our first five of Barangay Santa Barbara, jersey number 7, Perdoño. Let's meet our three referees. Our first referee, Sir Nipsek Marquesa. Second referee, Sir Jeremy Diston. And our crew chief, our referee from Junior MPPL, Sir Jason Yapa. Ilumakas to Abaya Big Bang. First 2 points para sa Barangay Canarema. La Chica is still Abaya all alone. Back to back 2 points para kay Mr. Abaya. Apat na pupers na kagad si Mr. Abaya. Lianes diniskarte hihinto. 15 on the shot lock to Gakutan from long range areas. No good. La Chica Plaka. Big man Sagon. Sagon Pren. Sagon agad na mabasahan. Sagon pinubulabang steal. La Chica. Ayan. Player out of bounds. Possession tayo ng Barangay Canarema, kaibigan. Abaya, pinilit sa ilalim, pass to Abaya. Good for 2. 6-0 run ang Barangay Canarema. La Chica Tulianes, Llanes, Iskil, Carlitos, Ilumakas. Here comes Ilumakas drive sa good. No good. Abaya, no good. Nakabalik na Abaya. 10 on the shot clock. Ilumakas, 5 on the shot clock. Napanda pasa. Good point 2. 8-0 run para sa Barangay Canarema. La Chica binigay kay Gakutan. Gakutan hito aatake. No good. Here comes Abaya, passing play. Abaya to Abaya. Nice si La Chica. La Chica pa rin, binigay sa ilalim, Plaka, nagkakatabikan, nakuha ni Lumakas, ayan na, posesyon na ng Barangay Canarema. Ayan yung mga audience po natin, huwag po natin tinutulak yung galon, mainit. Binigay kay Sagon, pass to Abaya, 14 on the shot clock. Abaya mamamain, 4 shot, 10 on the shot clock. Here comes La Chica all alone. Kick a pass, 3-2. Ayan, hindi pa Pasko pero marami ng Toronto dito sa JBY Covered Court. Abaya, 15 on the shot clock. Abaya to Ilumakas. Carlitos, big five. Supply, sa kakatabikan. Nakuha na Perdoño, pinupulabog. Binigay kay Llanes. Passing play. Binigyan, good. 8-4. 5 minutes exactly, Abaya. Abaya, 15 on the shot clock. Abaya, alley play. St. Paul, 8 on the shot clock. Ilumakas, binigay kay Sagon. Meron tayong foul. Meron tayong whistle on jersey number 24, hitting the iron in a 2 shots. That's your first personal foul in the first team foul. First try, supply. How about the last try? 1 out of 2. Gakutan, binigay kay Llanes, pinupulabog ni Sagon. Llanes Pren, good yan, here comes Llanes. Llanes, big pop. Huli. Rejected. Pass to clear. Rejected by La Chica. Here comes La Chica. Meron tayong foul. Foul on jersey number 28. Body push. That's a place in a person. Llanes pa rin, 15 on the shot clock. Llanes yung pass. Llanes binigay kay La Chica. 8 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. La Chica black. Nakuha ni Carlitos. Carlitos pa rin. Pass to Ilumacas. Here comes Ilumacas. Extra pass. Abaya. Good two. Dakutan. Tobilyar pa. No good. Nakuha ni Abaya. Bigay kay brother Abaya. Abaya pa rin. Abaya drive, alley-oop play. St. Paul sub. Kakutan, 11 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Abaya, pocket corner, no good. Nagkakatabigan, nakuha ni Bergonio, pass to play. Here comes La Chica. Good. 11-6, 5-point lead. Abaya 15 on the shot clock. Ilumacas 10 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Abaya. 5 on the shot clock. Nakuha ni Llanes. Llanes pass to play. La Chica. Good. Timeout. Barangay Canarem, score natin 11-8 in favor of Barangay Canarem. 11-8 po ang score. Oras na din, 3 minutes po. Abaya friend. 15 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Abaya. Abaya drive. Sayang. Sagot na ko pa rin kay Abaya. Nakuha ni Carlitos. Carlitos. Supply. Nakuha ni Abaya pin. Abaya. Kosay tayo ng Barangay Santa Barbara. Llanes still sagot, big pan. Bergonio, pass to Villarta, meron tayong foul. Foul jersey number 6. 17 on the shot clock. Binigay kay La Chica. La Chica supply. Nakuha ni Villarta. 10 on the shot clock. Alley-oop na. Gonzaga sa refrain. Last 2 minutes of the ball game. On the shot clock. Abaya. 10 on the shot clock. Abaya. Triple two. 58. Llanes. Pass to Bergonio. Bergonio pala sa ilalim. Pass to Villarta from downtown. Meron tayong foul. Foul po sila. Abaya. Binigay kay Ilumacas. Ilumacas big. Ilumacas. Sayang. Turnover. As 150. Ayos, Sullanes. Fifteen on the shot clock. Last friend, 10 on the shot clock for shot. Llanes, Gonzaga, mahina. Pass to Pierre, pass to Amaya, pass to Lumatas. Last 50 seconds. Villarta is still. Here comes Carlitos. Big bang! And foul. Foul goes number 18. Blocking foul. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Oras na 10, 42 seconds. Here's Slice Supply. Last drive, masok ka. Last 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. 30 seconds. Darius Bren. Third time foul. Foul upon jersey number 22. First personal foul entering for penalty. Last 24 seconds. Primo is still. Here comes Villarta. 15 seconds. Villarta, good for two. 10 seconds. Primo. Last 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Llanes, Llanes friend, Llanes. The first quarter beat score 16-12 in favor of Barangay Catarem. Sigo binigay kay Perbo, binigay Kapitpin, Kapitpin atake, supply. Save ball. St. Paul 13 on the shot clock. Gonzaga pass to Zico. 10 on the shot clock. Kapitpin to Zico. Pinas kay Perbo. Binigay Kapitpin. 5 on the shot clock. Kapitpin supply. Nagkakatabigan. Kasagit ako ng St. Paul. 14 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Kapitpin. To Gonzaga 10 on the shot clock. Kapitpin. Nabitawan. 5 on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Supply. Nakuha ni Carlitos. Nakuha ni Zico. St. Paul. 13 on the shot clock. Verbo. 10 on the shot clock. Kapitpin. Steal. Carlitos. Ilumakas ng foul. Foul jersey number 21. Ilumakas. 14 on the shot clock. Ilumakas. Steal. Zico mamadali. Zico pa rin. Binigay kay Villarta to Verbo. Supply. Nagkakatabigan naman Ilumakas. Ilumakas. Carlitos. And over tayo. Zico. Pass to Villarta. Villarta. Student goal supply. Kapitpin. Pass to Zico. 14 on the shot clock. Zico pa rin. Supply. Nakuha ni Lumakas. Pass to Primo. Steal. Meron tayong basket. Foul jersey number 21, blocking foul. 5 ng score. Second personal foul, second team foul. Ball is thrown, complete 3. Kapitpin. I-score natin 19-12. Kapitpin. Steal. Igual ni Carlitos. Nakuha ni Perpo. 10 on the shot clock. Supply. Nakuha ni Lumangas. Pass to Abaya. At bomba na ka na rin. Abaya. Pass to Sagod. Pompa. Sagod. Steal. Pass to Yanes. Yanes pa rin. Yanes pinubulabok. Yanes. Airball. Reserve. Pass to Ilumakas, 15 on the shot clock, Ilumakas, supply. Nakuha ni Perbo, pass with Pin. Kapitpin. Napitawan naman ni Ilumakas. Pass to Ilumakas. Pass to Galitos, steal. Napakaraming steal. Nakuha ni Bergonio. Bergonio pa rin. Kapitpin. Yanis. 2-2. Pabasa 5. 15 on the shot clock, Abaya. In-out. Kapitpin naman sa zone. Yanes. Ay, masyado mataas yung pasa. Exactly 4 minutes. Abaya 15 on the shot clock. Abaya 10 on the shot clock. Abaya. Nakuha nila Chica. Meron tayo foul. Foul upon jersey number 23. Holding foul. That's the first in the first. La Chica. Fifteen on the shot clock. La Chica paid. La Chica hesitate. 10 on the shot clock. Good for 2. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan. Abaya pa rin na Ilumakas. 15 on the shot clock. Abaya drive. Nagkakatabigan. Nakuha ni Abaya 10 on the shot clock. Supply. Nakuha ni Dakupan. Passing play ng Chica. Good for 2. 15 on the shot clock. Sagol na airball. Kakutan. Azulanes, meron tayong foul. Foul upon jersey number 28. Tapos second personal foul, second team foul. La Chica. 15 on the shot clock. La Chica bend legs. Good! James Bacon. Lamang ng isa ang Barangay Santa Barbara. Last 2 minutes 15. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Sagol na. Good for 2. Exactly 2 minutes. Change favor. Yanes. Supply. Nakuha ni Abaya. Pass to Abaya. 14 on the shot clock. Still by Yanes. Ball out of bounds. Abaya. 10 on the shot clock. Abaya. Nakuling akuban. Miles to Yanes. Yanes drive. Good pitching. In favor. Last 1 minute 10. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Meron tayong foul. Foul jersey number 24. Holding foul, that's your second personal foul, 13 foul. Last 1 minute exactly. Binigay kay Abaya. Abaya pink. Abaya rapidly violation. Last 55 seconds. La Chica. Last 50 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. La Chica drive. Supply. Last 40 seconds. Abaya, last 35. Primo from downtown. Primo, 3 points, last 30 seconds. La Chica. Last 20 seconds at the stop. Meron foul. Jersey number 20, warning. And warning jersey number 24 of Barangay Santa Barbara and warning jersey number 20 of Barangay Cananem. Last 18 seconds. Gamutan, that's your third personal foul and direct for penalty. Last 18 seconds. 18 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Fair time foul. Foul foul. Jersey number 15. Pushing foul. Jersey 15. That's your first penalty situation. 2 seconds. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. First guy's foot. Late lang. Last 2 seconds. Buzzer na lang ang maririnig. Supply. And the power second quarter. Score natin 25-22 in favor of Barangay Canarem. Abaya. Pass nyo lumakas. Pinigay kay Abaya. Pull up sa pera. In-out. Nakuha ni Abaya. Pass to Primo. No good. Nakuha pa rin Abaya. Pinigay kay Carlitos. Carlitos pass to Abaya. 10 on the shot clock. Good for you. Yanes, La Chica. 15 on the shot clock. Meron tayong foul. Foul jersey number 11. Holding foul. Yanes. 10 And on the shot clock, Gonzaga, supply. Nakuha ni Primo. Bigay kay Abaya. As to Ilumakas. Ilumakas, supply. Nakuha pa rin ni Abaya. 15 on the shot clock. Abaya break. Abaya drive. Malakas. Pass break. La Chica sink the ball. Yanes pick. Yanes pick. Pound. Anti-pound. Our jersey number 20. Supply last try. Abaya. Pass to Primo. Primo. Supply. Nakuha pa rin na Abaya. Abaya bubomba. Abaya. Supply. Nakuha rin lumakas. Good for two. Yanes. La Chica. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Yanes from downtown. Short. Nakuha ni Abaya. Abaya pa rin. 15 on the shot clock. Abaya. Short. Nakuha ni Ilumakas. Carlitos. Good for two. Gonzaga. 15 on the shot clock. Gonzaga. Kakutan. Steal na ko ni Abaya. Carlitos. Pick up Carlitos. Pass to Abaya. Nakuha pa rin Abaya. Primo. Pick. 14 on the shot clock. Abaya is moving good. Good for two. Nasa double digit na ang kalamangan ng Barangay Canarem. Yanes 15 on the shot clock. No good. Perconio. Anti-foul. Try. Pumasok. Abasa siya ng kalamangan ng Barangay Canarem. Ilumakas. 15 on the shot clock. Primo. No good. Carlitos. Good for two. Iba na ang laki sa Star Margarine. Yanes. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Yanes. 3 points. Baba sa 8. Ilumakas. 15 on the shot clock. Alipay. Ilumakas. 4 shot. Nakuha ni Ilumakas. Ilumakas. Supply. Abaya. Good for two. Balik sa 10. 15 on the shot clock. Yanes break. Yanes hesitate. 10 on the shot clock. Yanes friend. 5 on the shot clock. 4 shot. Hindi ka natawagan ng foul. Hindi ka against it ng foul. Ilumakas. Pass to Primo. Primo. No good. Nakuha na Abaya. Pasok niya ba? Exactly 3 minutes. Kapitpin, big pang, short. Nakuha ni Lumakas. Ilumakas, 15 on the shot clock. Ilumakas, Abaya break. Abaya 10 on the shot clock. First supply. Nakuha pa rin Abaya. Kapitpin. Pass to Yanes. Yanes drive, Perconio. Good for two. Babasok ko. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Goal for 2 para kay Ilumakas. Bilyatan, turnover. 2 minutes only. On the shot clock. Ilumakas, 10 on the shot clock. Steal, Apaya 1v1 situation. Apaya mamamain. Apaya pa rin, tatlo laban sa dalawa. Apaya, 14 on the shot clock. Primo Pipa. Bilyanta pa rin. Porsyat. Nakuha ni Primo. Ilumakas. Ikam Ilumakas to Ilumakas. Supply. Nagkakatapikan. Yanes. Pass with play. 1 minute exactly. Perpo. Ipoku. Last 50 seconds. Last 15 on the shot clock. 40 seconds. Napakagandang pasa. Big bang! Last 30 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. 25 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Last 20 seconds. Kapitpin, napitawan. Perpo, bubomba. Plaka. 5 on the shot clock. Good for 2. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Apaya, no good. And the power third quarter beaten score. 15 on the shot clock. Ilumakas right 10 on the shot clock. Ilumakas! In and out. Sayang yung back push. Passing play. Lachika! Babasa sa mga kaibigan. Take on the shot clock. Primo. Good. Nakuha ang nakatabikan. Here comes the passing play. Lachika. Nabitawan. Walang foul dyan. Walang bola. Ilumakas. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Primo, big bang! Short! Nakuha ni Kapitpin. Yanes! Wait natin yung atol ng ating mga referee. Save ball tayo, save ball. 17 on the shot clock. Gonzaga. 15 on the shot clock. Bilyanta. Block! Huli ka po. Here comes Carlitos. Big bang! Good for 2. Marisan sa Bilyanta. Astur Llanes. 15 on the shot clock. Llanes isolation play. 10 on the shot clock. Supply. Nakuha ng Ilumakas. Meron tayong foul. Paula Panter sa number. Fifteen on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Di lumakas. 5 on the shot clock. Supply. Talaga tayo. Kakutan, big pan. Short. Primo. Di lumakas. 7 minutes. Di lumakas. 15 on the shot clock. Ali play. Sako. Good for 2. 15 on the shot clock. La Chica. 10 on the shot clock. Here comes Yanes. Rainbow area. Balik sa happo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Canarem. Sabun. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Ilumakas. Pass to Carlitos. Big pan. Good for 2. Napakandang tuman combination ni Ilumakas tsaka ni Carlitos. Tuman combination. Llanes hingi ng pick. 15 on the shot clock. Llanes hesitate. Llanes steal. Here comes Canarem. Ilumakas. Pass to Primo. Big pan. Short. Nakuha ni Ilumakas. Good for 2. Timeout Barangay Santa Barbara. Time. La Chica drive. La Chica binigay kay Kakutan, bumomba. Kakutan, pumping, good. Primo, nakuha ni Carlitos. Pass to Sagun. Here comes Sagun. Pedrex. Pass to Lumakas. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Big pump. In and out. 5 minutes in summary. Reserve. La Chica to Bergonyo pump fake. Supply. Nakakatabigan. Bergonyo for shot. Nakuha ni Sagun. Meron tayong foul. And bench. Walang pumasok.
Bench po tayo, players!
Yung mga audience mo natin dyan.
Players and coaches, bench po muna tayo, bench. Sa bench po muna tayo. Wala po order na mapasok dyan.
This one is good. Two out of 2. Time out, Barangay Canarem. Time out po natin. Tag-dalawang time out, oras natin. Last 4 minutes 50 score. 54-41. On the shot clock. Ilumakas, binigay kay Carlitos. Carlitos, big bang! Sinasawsaw na lang yung bola. Steal! Here comes Ilumakas, big bang! 4 to nothing run. ang binigay ng Barangay Canarem. Napakagandang depensa ni Mr. Sagun. Here comes Lanes. Lanes di diskarte. 15 on the shot clock. Short. Nakuha ni Primo. Ilumakas. Pass to Carlitos. Carlitos, meron tayong foul. Foul upon jersey number 28. Holding foul, first personal foul, 13 foul. Oras, 4 minutes 12. 4 minutes 12, 4 minutes po, 4 minutes. Reserve time out tayo. Ilmakas na. 15 on the shot clock. Sagun! Time out! Barangay Santa Barbara, mga kaibigan, wala na akong boses. I-score natin, 60-41 lamang na ng 19 puntos ang Barangay Canarem. Oras natin, last 4 minutes 5. Ayan, isa na lang ang timeout ng Barangay Santa Barbara. Dalawa pa sa Barangay Canarem. Sulit na ang bayad. Exactly 4 minutes. La Chica. 15 on the shot clock. Paso Villarta. 10 on the shot clock. Villarta pa rin. Porciata. Nakakakuha ng Ilumakas. Ilumakas pa rin. Gudyan. Paso Ilumakas. Pass big play. Primo. Ihinto. 14 on the shot clock. Crossover, Big Bang, Carlitos! Supply! Nakuha ni Yanes. Here comes Yanes. Meron tayong foul. Meron tayong foul. La Chica. La Chica. 14 on the shot clock. La Chica. Meron tayong foul. Kitang-kita. Tumabig ka. Tumabig si jersey number 23. Illegal suspend, third personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution. Ilumakas. La Chica. Hingi ng isolation play, 8 on the shot clock. La Chica. La Chica, Big Pa, Blanca. Same ball, 4. 5 on the shot clock, 5. La Chica. La Chica. Binigay kay Yanes. Big Bang. Short. Meron tayong foul. Kitang-kita. Kitang-kita si jersey number. Jersey number 15. Pushing foul. That's your second. And entering for penalty. Saba. Pilar na papasok si Kapinpin. Magtakin ka ni Sir Kapinpin. Carlitos. Ilumakas. Ilumakas. Crossover. Ilumakas. Ilumakas. St. Paul. 15 on the shot clock. Ayan yung mga fans ko doon sa taas. Kapit kayo dyan, baka mahulog kayo. Nakuha ni Bergonyo. Bergonyo pa rin. Pass with play. Ayan. Turnover. Ilumakas, pass big play, Pastor Carlitos, Big Bang! Go! Sinasawsaw na lang yung bola sa ring. Kala mo fishball na. Sinawsaw na lang sa sauce. Yanes. Meron tayong foul. And 3 out of 3. Meron tayong foul. Foul on jersey number 18, holding foul, first personal foul, penalty situation. Ref penalty situation tayo. Last 2 minutes 20. First try para kay Ilumakas. First size supply. One out of two. La Chica. Good dyan. Yanes fake. 15 on the shot clock. Yanes 3 points. Timeout Barangay Calarema. Ayan yung tali po dito sa bench. Huwag po natin tinutulak ka. Ilumakas. Pastor Ilumakas. Last 2 minutes. Foul jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. That's your first personal foul in a penalty situation. Both teams, sir. Penalty na yan. First no supply. Oras last 1 minute 59. One out of two. Lanes. Lanes ulit. Lanes supply. Save the ball. Ayan. Same ball. Last 1 minute 47, 14 on the shot clock. Nice. Bergonyo supply. Nakuha ni Abaya. Maestro Carlitos. Pass big play. Primo, tatlo laban sa dalawa. Abaya. 15 on the shot clock. 1 minute 30. Fair time foul. Foul jersey number 18. That's your third personal foul penalty situation. 1 minute 29. Ayan. First try is good. 65-47. Sa Blanas Row, nakawa pa rin na Abaya. As yung lumakas, 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock, Primo. Abaya, Ilumakas, Carlitos, pull-up jumper. Good yan. Nakuha ni Lanes. Last 1 minute 10. Meron tayong foul. Foul jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. That's your fourth personal foul. Penalty situation. How about the last try? 2 out of 2. Abaya. Pass break play. Carlitos. Last 1 minute 5, another foul. Foul jersey number 20. First personal foul, penalty situation. Last 1 minute 4. 65-49. 1 minute 4 po. 5 seconds violation. How about the last throw? Sablay friend, Juan Bergonyo. Last 1 minute, La Chica from downtown. No good. Nakuha ni Kakutan. Sablay. Last 50 seconds. Meron tayong foul. Foul jersey number 18. Holding foul. That's a fourth personal foul. Penalty situation. Last 47 seconds. Which is good. Sablay last throw. Nakuha ni Lanes na pass break play. Good for the last 40 seconds. And then foul. Foul on jersey number 7. 2 out of 2. Last 35 seconds. Supply last 30 seconds. Maritime foul. Pass to play. Last 15. Maritime foul. Foul upon jersey number 28. Penalty situation. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. End of the ball game. Congratulations, Barangay Candarem. Ayan po ang ating manlalaban sa championship game. Barangay Candarem and Barangay Bakulong.